Okay, folks, doing an exam style question from IGCSE Maths Foundation Tier paper from the May 2023 paper one, and it's a calculator paper. Okay, question one here. Here is a number machine. We've got input times 10, add 6, and I get an output. Part A. Work out the output when the input is 14. The input is 14, so we do 14 times 10 first, which is 140, and then we add 6. Okay, so 146. Okay, so our answer is 146. Okay, next part. Here is a different number machine. We got an input, we times blank, so times by number, plus 9, and we get an output. We are told when the input is 11, the output is 64. Okay, write a number on the dotted line to complete the number machine above. Okay, so working backwards, 64 minus 9. Okay, what do I get, guys? Well, I get 55. Okay, so a little trick for minusing 9, subtract 10 and then add 1. So you'll get 54, and then you add 1, you get 55. So 55 divided by something is 11, or 11 times something is 55. Hopefully you're happy the answer would be 5, because 11 times 5 is 55, or even better, 55 divided by 5 is 11. Okay, now I got that by doing 55 divided by 11, the times by 5 there. Okay, so I did 55, okay, divided by something, I'll put blank, and I get 11. Okay, and then if I rearrange this, I get 55 divided by 11 equals blank. The blank must be 5. Okay, 55 fifths is 11. Okay, 55, over 5 is 11, or 11 fives are 55. Okay, 11 times 5 is 55. Okay, and that was worth 3 marks, and that's a typical function machines question on a foundation tier paper. Okay, looking at that. Okay, so remember, you always work from left to right, and if you're working backwards, you are doing the inverse or the opposite operation to work out your input. Okay, thanks for watching.